Okay, I should be live right now, and I already missed a trade for this shit show. Okay, guys, I should be in the correct live stream right now. Good morning, guys. Again, sorry, I don't know what happened, but for me, it showed that I was in a live stream. I was in a live stream, so that's kind of annoying. But I'm ready to flatten if we go back to 720. Only one position. Trying to get to the lows here. Retesting the 700 area here, but it might be a fake out. Let's see. I prefer to lose the first trade quick and call it. Good morning, guys. Sorry for that little problem there. I'm ready to flatten. If I don't like this, I'm out. Little loss for the moment. $75. This idea of continuing short did not work at all. For the moment, I'm gonna call myself out. Little loss, catchable in one scalp and a half. I was hoping for these lows to be taken. Might be, it still might come, but 720 there. Gonna wait for a little bit. As well, the 50 minutes range is coming soon. That's gonna be one things to check. sorry for the previous one. No trades has been taken in the previous video, so you don't need to check it. I'm gonna delete that video. Let me do it right now. This one, I'm gonna unlist it. Okay, it's unlisted, that's fine. I still reject. It does look he wants to come to take the lows first before going higher, but that's a bit of annoying if it does it now. It looks he wants to do it again. I don't know. I don't want to take a trade right away again, just because I feel I was right. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Goodbye, guys. Everything good, guys? I was speaking for 8 minutes before, and you can go to and in the other video you might see it, but it's unlisted. So yeah, I was speaking for 15 minutes, for 8 minutes, without. I thought that I was talking to you, but no. A baby. A baby, a baby. Yeah. Yeah, to be honest, Mohammed, you asked, and I was like, what do you mean? I'm able to see that I'm live because OBS was telling me I was live, but then I checked YouTube and YouTube was not totally saying the same thing. So I was like, okay, freaking hell. Someone here got destroyed. Okay, my idea to get out was right for the moment there. Interesting, guys. We're pushing 15 minutes. We still did not close the first 15 minutes candle, but we're pushing very nicely right now. Very nice. Yeah, I was speaking, and I thought I was speaking with you. I was like, what? Instead, no, I was not speaking with any one of you guys. One minute and 20 seconds. We're still pushing on this 50 minutes range. Beautiful candle here on the 50 minutes. Very bullish right now. Very bullish. Pre-market highs are at 773. London high around 764. Interesting situation. "45 seconds, we're closing the first 50 minutes candle. That's going to be our range of the day of today. We might have just choppiness, so it can be a bad day of trading, and maybe getting out today in like with little loss, it's a good result. So we have to be ready for that. For the moment, seems not the best price action. Seems the market is waiting for tomorrow. And look at that wick right now on that 3 minutes candle closing in 15 seconds. $700. Okay, we're done. 50 minutes candle is closed. We have the range, and we just now have to evaluate if we want to push above and retest the range. I will be happy to play some longs here at 740, 50 minutes range retest, and this 50 minutes range is as well was a support. It was a resistance before, so it might be interesting. 720 above just the opening print level as a retest. No, I'm not sure about that one. But definitely very nice push. Maybe do we want to take the highs before doing anything special? Long at 720. Good luck, my friend. That's just there. Now, boom. 720 there. Interesting. Do we want to use this opening print level as a retesting area or not? I'm gonna give it my time. Look at that, it's kind of holding there. Nicely holding there. Coming back again, 720. Maybe give it a shot here at 720 would be interesting. A lot of consolidation here. We just did the 10 points from 720. It wants to break above the 50-minute range, and it's coming for that. So good luck to everyone that is looking for the break higher. This 3 minutes candle is closing soon. 34 seconds. What are you waiting for, guys? I'm just looking and like, sucks. That kind of sucks. I wish that we came to take the lows. That'd be more interesting to. I would have been more confident on the longs right now. Yeah, it's just really. Maybe he wants to just continue higher. Waiting for my food dilemma. That's a good waiting. That's a good something good to wait for instead of this market. Again, 720 there, getting retested. But no 15 minutes break were broken right now. No 15 minutes range. Let's hold in there at 720. Let's see the second time right now. Second time we did 10 points on the 720. Ah, okay, one stop loss. That's good. Good discipline there, my friend. Good discipline, good execution. Now I'm just looking at if I can take a 720 again here. Just look, I'm just not that convinced that much. If I take it, I have to call myself out at 710. And he did it already a few times, so kind of not playing it for the moment. I got stop loss 2. Yeah, for the moment, it's not an easy price action, so don't blame yourself. It's like you have to accept it. Just accept it. Be strong. Quite a few times to try to test the 720 there. We're breaking the highs. We're going for it. That's usually what I like is that the fact that we didn't break any 50 minutes range yet, so a good chance it is looking for the break of one of them. And because right now we're kind of bullish, at least on the short time, he wants to break the high first. Ciao, Alex. We're really rich. Yes. Life is good, guys. Life is good. Bull's trying to get the 756.70. Yeah, it's looking that, to be honest. It's looking that. As well, I want to see that 1 hour candle closing very nicely bullish. That's gonna be interesting, and that 30 minutes candle too. So it's looking interesting, I think, for it's looking interesting for people, the bullish people. Even here 730 is getting interesting on the 5-minute chart. What jersey? Paraguay. National team Paraguay. Oh, Paraguay, I miss you. No, not Atletico, Paraguay. National team. Heh. Your fault. Good job it's not Atletico. Yeah, I don't like Atletico. Paraguay. Look at that. That's the national team. You peasants, you don't understand. Oh, guys, what the heck is happening here? Oh my god. This ES looking a little bit weaker than NQ. So much consolidation there. So much things I could have scalped on the 720. Yeah. Now NQ is pushing ES not. Big move coming. It looks like that. A lot of how much there is? 10-15 minutes consolidation in the first 30 minutes of trading. It's coming to be interesting push above. what it wants to do. What does it want to do? So much consolidation right now. 7 more minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. And yeah, very, very slow price action right now. Very slow price action. Yes, it's coming to the lows again. $720 getting touched again there for the 4th time. I'm just looking at ES on the left, so that's why I'm kind of not convinced. I convinced on this 720. Yeah, stocks are quite weak as well, most of them. It does look it wants to come back lower. 720 came back to be so much support, but we never broke higher. Got smoked today. The most important is that you got smoked, but you accept it and move on. I'm trying to be careful because these days it sucks, to be honest. In the price action we have for the moment, it does look useless freaking day. Look at that. Look at that. We're still inside the 50 minutes range. We didn't break any of the 50 minutes range. So right now this candle is coming back above. In 5 minutes we close the 1 hour candle. Will be interesting if we close it green or not. And our candle opening print level is this one. I'll make it a different color just to have a reminder. We'll make it red, black. That is the opening of the hour candle. So every time we're above here, we're green on that hour candle. Choppy PA, yeah, choppy PA, freaking choppy. Do you like choppy? Do you like to be chopped out? That's the best trading day for you. That's the best trading day for you. Right now, all these people that went long here got stopped out, and right now the market pushes. It good chance, yeah, good chance this one was a catching stop loss situation. That's very good. I'm like, yeah, I might right now test the 720 again after this push. I'm gonna put it there as a buy. If I get it, if I get filled. If I don't get filled, peace and love. And important is that you have a mental one. Oh my God, yes, that was a perfect one. Who went long there? You nailed it. I did not yet, at least. I'm gonna wait for this candle to fill me at 720 if it wants to fill me at 720. If not, I'm gonna wait for 740 retest, opening range break retest. It's looking strong. It's looking strong. It's coming, guys, for you there. It's coming there. And now it's broke. That's beautiful, guys. Good luck to anyone that is long. Now I'm very interested on long bias on about the 50 minutes range to take these highs. Will be very interesting, but yeah. 1 hour candle is closing nicely green right now in 3 minutes. very interesting 1 hour candle. Let's see if this is not going to be a liquidity grab. That's as well the most problematic things. We want to see this not being a liquidity grab. Do we want to see this being a very strong push on a test and continuation? Or this is going to be a fake out? So right now it's fighting it. Fair fake value gap. Fake value gap. Shame on you. Shame on you for using the fake value gap. Also, guys, I don't know if you noticed it, but Ethereum broke the 4,000 after so many years this weekend. As I'm not gonna go long outside the 50 minutes range until we are not closing outside the 50 minutes range. I have time to take trades and retest and blah blah blah. And blah blah blah. We didn't break the 4,000 level in Ethereum for... No, not the 4,000. Yeah, kind of for the 4. Yeah, like actually not for exactly the 4,000, but properly that 4,000 areas since November 21. So quite a few years ago. So this is honestly huge. Don't get me started at you. Yeah, I hope you didn't have and you sold all of them. Not financial advice. Let me say that. Guys, we're struggling so much there. First, 1 hour candle closing in 15 seconds. We're closing above. We're closing quite bullish on this 50. I like it. We're closing very bullish. 4 seconds there. I'm gonna go long. Continuation higher. If we get this hour candle, guys, close super strong. Let's see if I get filled there. I'm filled long. Wish you the best. $302 is a great amount to be down only. I like this bullishness as well in ES. Let's see if we're gonna get screwed or not. Today it's a screw up day. Might as well reduce my sights on getting less today. This market is moving less. I'm gonna enter like a few times. Yeah, well, look at that. Can't wait. I really don't like the price action today. I really don't like this price action. It sucks. It's coming, right? AMSA candle is coming there. I like that we're closing this candle of outside the 50 minutes range. Long again. Ready to call it anytime. I don't like this price action. Risking much less today. Look at that. And my computer just, wow! Let me just flatten that, guys. Let me flatten that shit, guys. Yeah, let me just flatten that shit. Wow. 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 Yeah, let me freaking, yeah. That's freaking insane, man. And funny things, guys, is again only in M and Q and not in NQ. Right now I'm gonna load NQ on the left, if it freaking loads. And you see it? It did not happen on NQ. It happens only in M and Q. That's the insane part. Wow, great. Wow, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I handled the loss so well there. Trump speaking live. What the freaking hell? What the heck? Trump speaking live? Wow, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so freaking happy. I don't know you guys, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I don't have stop losses. I have mental stop losses because this one I would have getting destroyed by it. I would have getting destroyed by how many points? How many dollars I would have lost there? $150. Fine, would have been a fine loss because I risk properly. But wow. But he's not still speaking. I wanted to put it, but he's still not speaking. Is the moment he starts to speak, I might put it. Right now, he's still just there. So he's not just speaking. Insanity. Insanity there. Yeah, you have to just realize that, Tomato. You cannot have everyday green. You cannot have everyday the market is on your side. I'm realizing it as well right now. And I might close it with this loss. And it's a beautiful day. That is the point. When I do evaluate my trading action, not based on PNL and based on what I do, trading, it becomes so easy. It does not become just easy done, of course. It becomes much softer on us. Emotions are much less. So be the trader you want to be, and if you need to walk away, accept the loss and move on. You want to have everyday green. Who are you to pretend that you can be green every day? I'm waiting, guys. Price action. We knew it. Well, we knew it, honestly, from when we checked pre-market, we were like, look at this pre-market. Nothing happened during the pre-session, and right now we're just, nothing is happening again. Oh my God. Yeah, man, accept your losses, guys. Stop pretending that you have to be green every day. Stop doing that shit mentally and start executing and follow your day based on what you're doing, what trade you're taking, which execution you're following. And then you evaluate your day. Stop evaluating your day on your fucking P&L. Okay? Grow up mentally. Move to the next level as a trader. Stop looking at P&L and say, fuck, it's a red day, I'm done, I did shit. No, fuck, it's a red day, I've done amazing, I followed my rules, I followed my plan. It's a loss that I accept because I've done amazing. If you keep always saying the same things every day, day after day, a day after day, always the same things, you are programming your brain to that. Your brain is a muscle, and like every muscle has to be trained. You cannot move to the next day and be a trader that accepts everything, but you can train your muscle day by day with that mental thought, mental thinking. Today you think that way, tomorrow you might fall down, but you keep trying, and after 2, 3, 4 weeks, month, 2 months, 3 months, it becomes normal. Because why? Because you trained your muscle, you trained your brain to think that way. If you don't do that, you're gonna keep doing the same things. Yeah, grow some balls. Yes. I'm red today. I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm honestly reading rightly the market. I'm executing right. I'm not risking. I'm not over risking. I'm not doing DCA today because I'm like, okay, this one was DCA because I put 1 contract instead of 3 contracts. But I'm not here. I did not do DCA because, oh my God, well, this one would have destroyed me. Sorry for the cursing words, guys, but YouTube might block me for that. But it's really about moving on, guys. Stop falling for the same things you do every day. You know it. You know it. You freaking know it, that if you want to be the trader you're dreaming to be, you have to be a different person. Why are you waiting to be that different person? You have to be that person now. That person does not come from nothing. It comes from now. It's now that you take actions, not tomorrow, not the next day, not the fucking 2 weeks they're coming. You don't live the futures. You don't live the past. You live the now, the moment. So it's now that you train your brain. Is now that you do the action you have to do. Is now that you are the consistent trader. Is now that is a trader that follows execution. Is now. Not tomorrow, not the next day I'm gonna do better. Tomorrow I will do better. Fuck tomorrow. The fuck you know about tomorrow? I'm getting emotional today, yeah? Because I want you to succeed, guys. But if you keep doing the same shit, I'm gonna get fucking angry with you guys. Is you right? Yeah. And now we are pushing. Look at that. Look at what we're pushing. Honestly, when it comes down here, my brain was thinking, now we're rejecting. Look for shorts. Thanks God, I'm not taking trades. It's really beautiful right now, right? It's getting more pushy. Trump is speaking? Not yet. By the way, I lost quite a few people after that rant. We were like 15 people watching the live and now we're like 10. I don't care. We're taking pre-market London highs, I believe. No, London highs are this one at 3 a.m. So we've not taken London highs. Mm-hmm. Yeah, how much I'm down today? I'm down 830. Taking a few trades, one, this count as one, and two, three, four scalp, two, three, four, three scalps here, very quick. Very nice. Right now, I'm doing great, to be honest. Happy what I've done for the moment. A loss that is easily catchable in one day. Easily. Like literally, we can recover this with two scalps. You can say even one. Yeah, that is the funny things, right? Is we are stuck on the mentality of I will do that, I will do this, I will be this, I will do that. But this is just words. This is just words. Action has to be taken. Do you want to be a millionaire? Action has to be taken. I will be a millionaire. Action has to be taken. Step by step, improving, working, putting stuff. Do you want to be an influencer? Action has to be taken. You have to put videos. You have to be consistent. You have to upload every week, every day, whatever you have to. You want to be a good. You want to be a good. Whatever, you know. You want to be a runner. I will be one day a runner. Get up, start running, right? Start building that muscles. Start building that consistency. Nothing comes out from not taking actions. Right? There was that famous sentence, 20 years ago was the good time to plant a tree. There is good two times to plant a tree, 20 years ago and now. Now is the time you have to go and do that. Someone doing Ironman in 2026, I don't think I will ever do something like a triathlon or Ironman because I don't like swimming. But marathons and ultra marathon is something I want to do as well. I've done half marathons. I can do a marathon, but I would like to do one day. I was so good at running, then when I was cycling. But rejecting 750, taking these previous highs. Yes, rejected nicely there. 740 can be a good retest. A good player retest here, 740. Did not happen yet, but this looks a beautiful area of retest. If I want to be a little bit aggressive, it will be 740 here. It's still holding it. Build volume. Easy, yeah. It's so hard to do the slow run. So freaking hard. Mentally, I always want to push. When I do running. Oh my God, is he speaking right now? Is he speaking? No, not yet. My computer just lagging, guys. That's 740. Well, a quick retest there. Insane. Insane. The worst are easy runs. Love long runs where you push. Yeah, easy runs are the worst because it's so hard for the time to fly, to move. But when I run for like make a good time, I like to push myself to the limit. I like to like die of suffering. Today I'm gonna play some football this evening, and tomorrow I think I will go for some run. Ah, 740 came out to be nice here, but yeah, might just. I'm just really trying to be more cautious than ever. Why do we need to risk it for the biscuit? We're pushing nicely here. 750 can be the next retest for me. That matches this area. By the way, the conference of Trump will be about beautification, so about murders, death, crimes in general. Bah. The market is pushing, and we're not in the trade. That's mostly it. Why Mufi changed her name? Because he wanted to be outside. He didn't want to be anymore a cat, a pussy cat, and now he's like, say when, like when to take a trade, something like that, if I remember. Right, Mufti? Or say when? By the way, welcome back, Wiki. Are you gonna be back with us soon, Wiki? No pussycat anymore. Yeah. Guys, remember, leave a like to the video, guys. Any like to the video helps, and as well, 80% with Apex is there, and my code is always Hamza, and you know it. Thank you so much for the support. 750 is there, guys. I'm looking for 750. I will take a long there at 750. Quick scalp. I'm gonna even do less than 29 points. I'm gonna do 19 points. That's 5 points. $28. It is time to ask, reveal to us when you enter a trade. Gotta change the mentality. Looking for the 750 to get retested. 600. Oh my god. We have not taken any highs there. That is crucial. We take London highs there, but market looks bullish to continue higher. Well, pushing, guys. And no trades on the long. 740, 50 minutes range retest came out to be very nice. And annoying, guys, because especially these things that scare me out from the price action did not happen in NQ. That's kind of annoying. So these things did not happen in NQ, but it's okay. If it wants to retest the 750 before taking the highs, I would be happy to keep taking it. If it wants instead taking the highs, then I won't play anymore any freaking retest long. We might call it as a red day if nothing happens. And it's fine. $830 has a loss. Beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, let's see how many people left a like to the video, to this live stream. Let's see. Let's see how many likes. 4 likes. 4 likes. I'm gonna put like to myself. At least we are 5. Not many likes. We're 12 people in the live stream. Just dropped 1. Thank you. 8 likes. Thank you, guys. I put like to myself. I'm still looking for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, President. No, Trump is still not speaking. Liked it. Thank you, guys. Rest is bots. Rest are bots. Rest are bots. Bots. Let's see if I'm gonna get destroyed by this long at 750. Am I gonna get screwed by this? No. Maybe yes. Yeah, I still like it. Gonna remove it. I'm just looking at ES and deciding on the moment. $775 is fighting. It's fighting, yeah. It's fighting it. It's fighting it. It's fighting. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go for 750, guys. $740 here, very far, by the way, far. Long. Long. Out. Quick scalps. Long again, 750. Long again. Out. Mufti, you call me. What's your TP? 19 ticks right now, only almost 5 points. Just because the fact is why I'm not taking any more 10 points is just because the candles are very small. Are very small. We don't have big candles like previous days. Like if I go to price, for example, to here, you see how on a 3 minutes candle, 10 points is like literally nothing. And here, we're looking for like a candle is a freaking 10 points. So I'm looking for just quick scalp. For example, you can see that now I've already taken 2 scalps on 5 points and 10 points. This still did not happen. Only now probably is going to happen. Yeah, right now. So I mean, it could, and I could have taken it again one more time there. Yeah, 17 on the 3 minutes. So, and how much ATR we had that day when we were scalping last day? Oh, we had 29, 28. We literally have half of the ATR. So that's the reason. But 750 there, amazing. Worked out amazing there. Amazing. Only negative things when you do something like that, it definitely commissions might add up, but it's fine. Commissions are not a problem until your P&L is green, I guess. So right now of commissions, I paid on the 50K account, I paid, what is it? $18. Yeah, $18 sounds fine. That's how much I'm down, almost. I'm down $12 and $18 of commissions. So on a trade base, I'm positive. I'm negative because of commissions. 25th, which 25th? Next year, this year, 25th of what? October, January, August? What, you want me dead? That's almost my birthday. 25th October is also almost my birthday. But in October, I think I will be in Mexico or Colombia. I want to celebrate my birthday. No, I don't celebrate my birthday anymore, so I don't really care, but I would like to be somewhere else. I want to play the retest of 740 now. If I have to play something, 740. I'm not going to touch anymore than 750. In Mexico in December, we meet Tomato then. We're going to meet Tomato in December, so we can slap him. Both of us. One on the right, one on the left. We slap him well. A double kill. Yeah, probably I'm gonna. What time is it right now? Trump said that he was gonna speak at 10 a.m. and he still did not speak. Maybe he spoke. No, I did not speak. I was here waiting for it. Yeah, no, he did not speak yet. So he's super late. Well, 750 worked out again. Beautiful there. Working a bit too much right now. Okay, can you just work a bit less? Come back at 740. No. You piece of crap, piece of bacon. You piece of bacon. For Muslim people, Turkey bacon. How many people we are in the chat? 2,208 guys. We are 2,208. Which program is this? Roof, welcome. Only if you subscribe, I will tell you. No, I'm just joking. This is Quant Tower connected to Rithmic. Quant Tower, one of the best app. One of the best app to use with Rithmic. Much better than Ninja Trader for my opinion. I lost my PR trading London session. I'm hesitating between buying Tradovate market replay to practice the 14 nominals or a new ever account for $37. I don't know about that, but if you want to back test, can be a good investment if you like Tradovate. I believe WealthChart has market reply as well. I believe it's included in the price, but I'm not sure. I believe so. If not, backtesting is great no matter what. It's a good $49 investment on yourself, on time spending, learning, backtesting. TradingView as well. TradingView as well has it if you want to backtest with TradingView too. Okay, we're coming back a little bit lower there. I would like to get a scalp at 740 if I can. Every dollar spent on your improvements is a good dollar spent. Famous words of Amsa. Every dollar spent to improve your skills is a good dollar spent. Welcome to this advice. Shitty price action, guys. Shitty price action. There is nothing to do today. I'm very happy to be in break even, to be honest. It's a day like this, usually I might even lose money. So very happy. If you get the 740, I would be happy to take it as a scalp. It's been a nice area of retest. If it wants to come back. If it doesn't want to come back, peace and love. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow we can scalp in a better way because tomorrow we have as well more volatility. So tomorrow is going to be more interesting. 750, they're still holding. What the heck? What the heck? It's coming to my 740 there. Does it want to fill me at 740? Who's gonna bet that 740 is gonna be retested? Who's gonna bet? I'm gonna say yes. We're very weak. Who says 740 will be retested? Tell me, guys. Whoa! Look at this. Well, usually this is like very small candles, but we're still holding. What was the opening print level of this daily candle, of this hour candle? It's here. So we're right now on the opening print level of the hour candle there. 745 here. It's close below 739 will be bearish. Yes, I do believe as well. It's a good point, that one. For the moment, we're coming back. Nothing. 740 doesn't want to be retested. 740 doesn't want to be retested, guys. Holding the 750 there. Trump is still away from, still far from the speaking. $10.37. Removing my order for the moment. Looking to call it a day. Okay, so we're getting some as well, a green candle in the 5-minute chart after 3 red ones. We're getting the first green candle. So some little bit of bullish situation there. 750 can still maybe work out, but candle is closing in 30 seconds. I wish we come back at 740. Will be quick retest. Get my 5 points and be done. But I'm gonna call it like that, I think. Still holding the 750, still trying there. 750 were a great level to place some retest. So bad price action, yeah. That's the days where you're like, you know what, I call it, you know. It's a beautiful day. I'm so happy that I'm literally in break even. So freaking happy. We are beautifully closing bullish here, and 750 can come back to be a nice retest area again. Right now that we hold. No news, no volume. Yeah, we have CPI tomorrow. CPI tomorrow is gonna be, I think, the catalyst that is gonna make these things shake a little bit and give us some price action. Look at that 750 there. Oh my god. Oh. Oh wow. Look at that fake out here. Are we gonna fake out these people and come back lower? Oof. Tomorrow's gonna be wild, yes, I believe as well. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting, so we just better save our capital for tomorrow. The 5 minutes candle managed to close red, guys. Ha! Managed to close red. Yeah, freaking hell. I call it. I'm done. Yeah. Guys, I wish you the best. I mean, 740 can be retested. I don't care. It's a great day. $40, $30 do not make a difference right now. Just better. Good. It's just better. It's just better wait than stress myself for a shitty position than, you know, trying to be green on the day for what? My mental stress is more important. Being green for $10 with this price action is stupid. The risk reward of my mental stress is not worth it. Right? It's not worth it. So good luck with each one of you guys. I'm gonna call it like that. I wish you the best if you keep going with your trading. For the moment, I'm gonna call it like that. Tomorrow we're gonna have a better price action. Thank you guys for coming. Sorry for the previous live that did not work out, but yeah, we're here. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for coming as always, and Apex 80% off with my code. Always the best code. See you tomorrow, guys.